Goat farming has long been a valuable aspect of agriculture, providing essential resources such as milk, meat, and manure. Over the years, the demand for these products has grown significantly, fueled by population growth, dietary preferences, and sustainable farming practices. For aspiring entrepreneurs, goat farming presents an opportunity to generate substantial profits while contributing to food security and environmental health. This video will walk you through everything you need to know about starting and running a profitable goat farming business focused on milk, meat, and manure. Part 1. Starting a goat farming business. Planning and research. The foundation of a successful goat farming venture begins with meticulous planning and research. Market research. Understand your target market. Are you focusing on urban consumers, restaurants, or export markets? Learn about the demand for goat products in your area and identify potential competitors. Breeds to consider. Familiarize yourself with breeds suited for your goals. For milk production, breeds like Saanen, Toggenburg, and Nubian are excellent. For meat, breeds like Boer, Kalahari Red, and Black Bengal are ideal. Legal requirements. Ensure compliance with local laws regarding animal farming. Obtain necessary permits and health certifications to operate legally. Farm setup. Your farm's setup plays a critical role in the health and productivity of your goats. Land selection. Choose a location with ample grazing areas, good drainage, and accessibility to clean water. Housing. Build shelters that protect goats from extreme weather, predators, and diseases. Separate pens for kids, bucks, and does will help maintain order and hygiene. Equipment. Invest in essential tools such as feeders, waterers, fencing, milking machines, and composting systems. Selecting the right goats. Careful selection of goats is vital for long-term success. Health check. Buy goats from reputable breeders. Look for signs of health such as bright eyes, shiny coats, and an active demeanor. Breeding practices. Opt for goats with high genetic potential for milk yield, growth rate, and disease resistance. Part 2. Producing goat milk. Importance of goat milk. Goat milk is a nutritional powerhouse, often recommended for its digestibility and lower allergenic properties compared to cow milk. It is used in 1. Dairy products, cheese, yogurt, butter, and ice cream. 2. Skin care. Goat milk soaps and lotions are popular for their skin-nourishing qualities. 3. Specialty foods. Organic and lactose-free markets have a growing appetite for goat milk. Milking techniques. Efficient milking is crucial for productivity. 1. Milking schedule. Milk twice a day for optimal yield. 2. Hygiene. Clean the udder and milking equipment thoroughly to ensure milk quality. 3. Storage. Refrigerate milk immediately to preserve freshness. Marketing goat milk. Effective marketing can set your product apart. 1. Packaging. Use eco-friendly, appealing packaging with clear labeling. 2. Niche targeting. Highlight the benefits of goat milk to health-conscious consumers and those with dietary restrictions. 3. Distribution channels. Explore local markets, grocery stores, and online platforms. Part 3. Producing goat meat. Popularity of goat meat. Goat meat, known as chevin or cabrito, is highly sought after for its rich flavor and nutritional profile. It is a staple in cuisines across Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and the Caribbean. Processing and storage. To produce high-quality goat meat. 1. Slaughter process. Follow humane practices and adhere to sanitation standards. 2. Butchering. Offer cuts that appeal to customer preferences, such as chops, steaks, or ground meat. 3. Storage. Use vacuum sealing and freezing techniques to maintain freshness. Selling goat meat. Expand your customer base with these strategies. 1. Retail and wholesale. Partner with local markets, butchers, and restaurants. 2. Direct to consumer. Sell through farmers markets, CSA, community-supported agriculture programs, or your farm shop. 3. Export opportunities. Research international markets where goat meat is in high demand. Part 4. Utilizing goat manure. Benefits of goat manure. Goat manure is an excellent organic fertilizer, rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It improves soil health, enhances fertility and microbial activity, supports sustainable farming, reduces reliance on chemical fertilizers. Collection and processing. Proper manure management is key. 1. Composting. Allow manure to decompose into nutrient-rich compost. 2. Pelletizing. Process manure into easy-to-use pellets for gardeners. Marketing goat manure. Market your manure effectively. 1. Target audience: gardeners, landscapers, and organic farmers. 2. Packaging. Use bags with clear labeling of nutrient content. 3. Eco-friendly branding. Highlight the environmental benefits of using organic manure. Part 5. Financial management. Cost analysis. Understand the financial aspects of goat farming. 1. Initial investment. Factor in land, goats, housing, and equipment costs. 2. Operating expenses. Include feed, veterinary care, labor, and utilities. Pricing strategies. Set competitive prices to attract customers while ensuring profitability. 1. Milk. Offer higher prices for organic or raw milk. 2. Meat. Price based on quality, cut, and market demand. 3. Manure. Adjust prices for bulk purchases. 3. Profit maximization. Boost your earnings with these ideas. 1. Diversify products. Sell value-added items like cheese, soap, or breeding services. 2. Workshops and tours. Offer educational experiences on goat farming. 3. Export. Tap into international markets for milk, meat, and manure. Conclusion. Goat farming offers immense potential for entrepreneurs who are willing to invest time, effort, and resources into building a sustainable business. By producing and selling goat milk, meat, and manure, you can create a diverse revenue stream while meeting the growing demand for these essential products. With careful planning, effective marketing, and financial management, you can transform your passion for goat farming into a profitable venture.